Here's a little Knight Rider board. It's got two sets of LEDs that go back and forth, kind of like the original kit car from Knight Rider. There's a little potentiometer here that allows you to adjust the speed. So we can go from essentially off to all the way up to maximum. And you can see it goes extremely fast. And we can get it back down to a normal speed here. And it's also extremely simple to solder. I've got everything laid out very easily for any new or inexperienced person that's soldering. The closest pins are going to be these here on the chips, and they're well within reason for even somebody that's just got a little bit of soldering experience. So it's a great little project for kids, great project for somebody that wants to maybe have some LED lights that go back and forth into an existing project. I did set two inputs. I've got the 5 volts that you can see here on a micro USB. There's also a screw terminal if you just want to hardwire into something. And of course, it's relatively low power, so you could run this off a battery for probably a couple of days without it running out on a 9-volt battery. It does run off of somewhere around 3 volts to about 12 volts or maybe 9 volts, kind of depending. The intensity here, you could change the LEDs. I've just got some regular red LEDs, and these will be the red LEDs that get included with the kit. So if you have any questions, let me know.